So here's a rabbit hole that we have to go down, and that is you're going to start seeing some other conditional statements other than less than or equal to in order to do the job. You're going to see some what are called, well, predicate functions, but you'll notice that in Scheme, the predicate functions are always going to have a question mark at the end of them. And that's letting you know that those particular functions are always going to return a Boolean value. So just a heads up on that. Now, in these three that you're looking at right now, to be very honest with you, I'm going to show examples here in a second, but you'll notice there are some differences between them. Like an equal sign is great when you know that you're comparing two numbers. If you don't compare two numbers, you're in deep doo-doo, and I'll show you that in a second. Equals or EVQ, it's great for comparing two values for characters, numbers, and symbols. So that's a little bit more wide-ranging. And then equal with a question mark is great for comparing complex data types like strings, lists, and vectors. You're gonna just have to memorize that. I hate doing memorization things, but you're just gonna have to when it comes to those really four different functions that we have in comparison in Scheme. And then make sure that you basically have this page bookmarked or whatever. So here's your three examples of using the different ones that we have here. Now this is just using the equal sign that you see here. This one's using the EQV with a question mark. And I believe this one's using the equals and equals with the word equals and then question mark, and then we have our equal sign that we normally are used to. But notice there's not a double equals, by the way, in Scheme. It's going to be a single equals. But really take a look, pause the video here right after I'm done talking here, and kind of look over the examples, and I'm trying to show you where things, highlighted items that are, well, things that might gotcha here and there. So use this, bookmark this, but you're going to have to realize this. Well, frankly, you're going to have to memorize which one to use. Let's put it that way.